Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video we are going to solve a question from GATE Mathematics 2018, and this question is from calculus, and we have given D is a subset of R2, which denotes the closed disk with center at the origin and radius 2. Then the value of this integration, double integration e raised to minus x square plus y square dx dy is. The options are given. So let us solve this question. So to solve this question we need to understand the region first. So what is D? D is disk with center at origin, that is 0, 0, and radius is 2, right? So this is 2. So here also we have 2, so that is this point will be 2, 0. This is minus 2, 0. This is 0, 2, and this is 0, minus 2. So this whole disk, so let me just color this. So this whole disk is our region D, right? And we have to find integration over this region. So in order to solve this double integration we need to convert this integration in the polar coordinates, right? Because it is easy, since here we have x square plus y square. So whenever you have this x square plus y square term, then you just put, so in polar coordinates we have x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and this dx dy, this is equal to r dr d theta. So remember about this r. So x square plus y square is just equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Now take r square common. So in the bracket we have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1, right? So this is just equal to r square. That means this is equal to r square. So just put x square plus y square is equal to r square, and then dx dy is r dr d theta. Now what about the limits of integration? Now here we have given this closed disk, right? The whole disk. That means what? This theta, this angle runs from 0 to 2 pi, and this radius, since this vector starts from 0, right? And here its radius is 2. So r runs from 0 to 2. So let us write the limits. So r runs from 0 to 2, theta runs from 0 to 2 pi, right? So we have convert this integration in the polar coordinates. Now our job is easy. We just have to solve this integration, and it is very easy because we can just put r square is equal to, say, some variable u, then 2r dr is equal to du. So this gives us r times dr is equal to du by 2, right? And what about the limits of integration? So let me write this 0 to 2 pi as it is. When r is 0, this is u is 0 square, which is 0. When r is 2, this is equal to 2 square, so 4, and e raised to minus, now r square is u, r dr is equal to du by 2, and d theta as it is. So this is equal to 0 to 2 pi integration, then e raised to minus u divided by minus 1, and this 2 take it outside, and the integration, so limits are 0 to 4 d theta. Now this is equal to minus half times e raised to minus 4 minus e raised to 0, and this integration, right? So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 times e raised to minus 4, e raised to 0 is 1, and this is just equal to 2 pi, right? So this is 2 pi. Now this gives us 2 cancels, and here we have pi times 1 minus e raised to minus 4, right? So answer is option A. So this is a very interesting question and also it carries 2 marks.